So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Zotac Rtx. So in this video what we are going to see is Unity versus Unreal. Which is better, which is hard, which is easy to use. So first, thank you for giving 23 views so soon for the Visual Studio versus Visual Studio Code. I really appreciate it, but please subscribe and like the video, share it also. So first we are going to see what is Unreal and which language does it use, and what is Unity. First, Unreal, it's also a basic game development engine, but you need to learn C++ to use this Unreal engine. And Unreal engine is graphics is really good. It's graphics. Fortnite was made in Unreal only. Fortnite, PUBG, all that. So Unreal's graphics is really great, but the problem is Unreal takes a lot of space and lots of usage of the GPU, CPU, all that, and it's full free. You can use it full free downloads, everything. And in the other hand, for Unity is also a basic game development engine. You can learn C# for Unity, so you have to learn C#. In Unity there's Unity Pro and Unity. So what is the difference between Unity and Unity Pro? Now in Unity Pro, if you basically create a game in Unity, it will always show like made by Unity. But in Unity Pro, with that you can, like, what to say, you can create your own intro. So let me just show you. And also for Unity you can use all these platforms: Nintendo, tvOS, iOS, Android, Windows, Microsoft Store, Linux, everything is available. And now I want to show you just a second. Yeah, for Unity's Pro, the plan is $1,800 per seat. Okay, this is per prepaid yearly. Annual plan $150 per month. And even there's Unity Teams, I think. So let me show you Unity Teams. So using Unity Teams, if you're like having a group, right, with your group you can just share your project using Unity Teams. So like if it's a really big project, Unity Teams will help you a lot. Now let me show you. Choose plan, developers tools. If you want to see how to download Unity, I've made a video. I'll give it in the link in the description down below. So you can see how to download Unity. If you want to download Unreal Engine, right, I'll show you. YouTube, just go to my channel Zotac Rtx, and then if you go inside my channel, I have sponsored 2 channels. This is my gaming channel, so please subscribe to that also. And this is my this is another channel, one of my friends, or you can say my brother. You can go to his channel, and if you see, he has just now launched a video of how to download Unreal Engine. He has a lot of videos of unboxing, keyboard and all that, so you can go and see how to download Unreal Engine. He has just downloaded it in a a Dell laptop, a Latitude work laptop. So in that I was there with him too. So the Unreal Engine, right, we had like 289 GB free. Unreal just took up like 30 to 40 GB. Seriously, it just took 30 to 40 GB. Now whereas in Unity it's just really small, but you can extend the graphics to higher level. Now if you see Genshin Impact, right, Genshin Impact is like really good, but it's still made in Unity, so you can push your graphics high in Unity also. So now which shall I use? You can use both the engines, but if you see here, right, people have told that is Unreal harder or Unity? Unity uses C#, it is fairly similar to C++, but a lot easier to learn. Unreal is full C++, which is the hardest coding language to use, but they also have what they call blueprints. Now to see Unreal blueprints, right? Unreal blueprint. So using this blueprint, instead of like writing code, you can use this blueprint also. It's also called like visual scripting. So that's only blueprint. Visual scripting is also used in Unity. Now many of you may not be having interest on typing the code or learning it. Visual scripting is also available in both of these. But for visual scripting, you have to download a different thing, different apps. So I'll make a video of that another time. So now coming back here, which is AAA games. So AAA games is nothing but AAA is like high quality models. So within that you can like create like how to say, and create good graphics. You want great graphics, you want like it should be really good. You can use AAA. That's a kind of a thing. And Unreal is now, the current version is 4.27, but Unreal 5 is also there. You can download Unreal 5 also. So how should I download Unreal 5? Now just go search Unreal 5 download. So it's just now early access for Unreal, but to just basically download the engine, right, you need to first download Epic Games. So Unreal 5, what is the advantage? Big builder words, all that. So now let's see here, I'll show you. Now if you see, this is like basically one thing on Unreal. So film, TV, architecture, more users. Then go to more users, create without limits. You can start learning. So now you don't want to learn on YouTube, want to learn, right? Just go here and learn games for learners, educators, professionals. So if you sign in using a student ID, it will be really useful. See, Unity student plan, you can use that to buy Unity Pro and all that. So actually Unity has just now updated its web page, because before it had like Unity's plan, Unity Pro's plan, Unity Teams plan. I'm not sure where that went. So if you see products, right, there is Unity Pro, Unity Plus and Unity Ads. So now I am using Unity, just like basic Unity. So yeah, that is the difference. So Unreal, it's just a little tough. It's more tough than Unity, whereas Unity is still easy to learn. It's a little easy. So like, it's not that graphics is good, Unity graphics is good, Unreal, both of them are like really good engines. But what to say, if you want to learn like a little easier, you can choose Unity. But no, I want like more harder graphics, good. I don't care if it takes time or all that. You can choose Unreal. Both engines are like pretty good engines. So yeah, that's all I have to say. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll link how to download Unreal Engine and how to download Unity. And then please like and subscribe. Please give all your support for the channel. So sayonara, peace out.